The potential collapse of society by 2040, as predicted by MIT, coupled with the failure to reverse climate change, could have devastating consequences across multiple levels. Societal consequences. 1. Mass migration and displacement due to uninhabitable regions, leading to social unrest and conflict over resources. 2. Breakdown of social systems and institutions, including healthcare, education, and law enforcement, resulting in increased vulnerability to disasters and crime. 3. Loss of cultural heritage and identity as communities struggle to adapt to changing environments and socio-economic conditions. Economic consequences. 1. Disruption of global supply chains and trade routes, leading to shortages of essential goods and services. 2. Economic recession and widespread unemployment as industries dependent on natural resources and infrastructure collapse. 3. Increased poverty and inequality, with marginalized communities bearing the brunt of the economic downturn. Political consequences. 1. Rise of authoritarian regimes and erosion of democratic principles as governments prioritize security and stability over civil liberties. 2. Global power shifts and geopolitical tensions over control of remaining resources and territories. 3. Lack of international cooperation and coordination in addressing common challenges, exacerbating conflicts and hindering efforts to mitigate climate change. Environmental consequences. 1. Irreversible damage to ecosystems and loss of biodiversity, leading to ecosystem collapse and extinction of species. 2. Accelerated climate change with more frequent and severe extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts. 3. Collapse of ecosystems essential for human survival, such as coral reefs, forests, and freshwater sources, further exacerbating humanitarian crises. Individual consequences. 1. Mental health impacts, including anxiety, depression, and trauma, as individuals grapple with uncertainty, loss, and existential threats. 2. Physical health risks from exposure to pollution, infectious diseases, and inadequate healthcare infrastructure. 3. Displacement, homelessness, and forced migration, with vulnerable populations facing disproportionate hardships and discrimination. In summary, the failure to address societal collapse and climate change by 2040 could lead to a cascade of interconnected consequences, impacting all aspects of human life and civilization. Urgent and decisive action is needed at local, national, and global levels to mitigate these risks and build resilience to future challenges.